Welcome to the Yokoy Academy and our NetSuite integration video series. This video will show you how Yokoy's spend management integration for Oracle NetSuite handles cost and master data synchronization. The integration enables the two systems to synchronize master and transaction data, including classifications, categories, tax codes, employees, and vendors in real time. Once the integration is set up, the real-time connection enables seamless data flow, ensuring consistency and accuracy across platforms. Now let's take a closer look at some of the data being synchronized. Log into your NetSuite account and navigate to your Yokoy integration section. The view you see here may differ from yours. In Yokoy, cost objects are a hierarchical construct that shows where costs occur within a company's operations. The NetSuite integration allows various classifications as cost objects, including projects, markets, classes, locations, and departments. Once you have renamed a cost object or assigned a new approver in NetSuite, check that the sync was successful and validate the data by navigating in Yokoy to Admin Cost Objects. In Yokoy, categories provide a classification for the different types of costs that users can have, and they are linked to an expense account in the general ledger. This enables the expense to be booked properly in NetSuite, and VAT input tax can also be associated. Once you've created a new category in NetSuite and selected the expense account in the general ledger, check that the sync was successful and validate the data by navigating to Admin Categories Expenses in Yokoy. Categories that have been synced from NetSuite will appear as active in Yokoy, with the account ERP code field filled in. This field represents the internal NetSuite ID that has been stored in Yokoy, and the Yokoy category ID can be seen in NetSuite as well. You can also assign a symbol and define other settings for the category in Yokoy if needed. Before their expenses can be exported to NetSuite, users must be synced. The integration supports the provisioning of users in Yokoy via NetSuite, as well as the synchronization of users who have been provisioned in Yokoy using different methods. Please note that creating a user in Yokoy does not result in the creation of a corresponding user in NetSuite. For this sync strategy to work, they need to already exist in NetSuite. Once you have created a new employee in NetSuite, check that the sync was successful and that the user has been created in Yokoy by navigating to HR User Management. The employee account ERP field in Yokoy will be populated with the employee's NetSuite internal ID. Additionally, the Yokoy ID for that user will be synchronized with NetSuite. The user will be set as active if all the mandatory fields are populated, otherwise the user will remain in draft status until activated. Once logged in to their Yokoy account, new users can submit their expenses and select the recently created category and renamed cost object in their expense form. Now you know how Yokoy's NetSuite integration can handle cost and master data synchronization. Thanks for watching and have fun exploring Yokoy.